Welcome to Presenter Top Notch, an online class that we all learn together. Today we want to look at one or two examples using Pythagoras theorem. Remember we proved it the last time. The Pythagoras theorem says the square of the hypotenuse side, which is the longest side of a right angle triangle, is equal to the sum of the squares of both the opposite and adjacent side. Now, these two sides are given. We are to find the value of x, which is the hypotenuse side. So let us write the formula. It says hypotenuse square is equal to what? Opposite square plus adjacent square. So I'm shortening the words in this manner. So where is the hypotenuse square? That is ML, or let me call it LM square, is equal to opposite. Let's call this mn square plus ln square. So what's the value of lm square? That's what we are looking for. It means x square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. All right. So x square now is equal to 3 square is 3 times 3, that is 9, plus 4 square is 4 times 4, and that is 16. So our x square now is equal to 9 plus 16 is what? 25. So I'm going to square root both sides. I'm going to square root both sides. I'm going to square root both sides. So I will apply square root where? Square root of what? X square is equal to square root of what? 25. Why am I using square root for? Am I applying square root for both sides? Is because of this square here. I want to remove it so that this square, we cancel this square here. So we now have x is equal to the square root of 25 is 5 centimeters, and that is the value of x. So to be sure of that, 5 square is equal to 25, and then these two sides, 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Example number 2. Example number 2. All right. So we are looking for the value of y here. Okay. What do we do? If we observe very well, the hypotenuse side has been given. One of the two other sides is also given. So we are looking for the y. So to find this y, we are going to subtract the square of this from the square of this. So let us write the formula. AB square, which is the hypotenuse square. So we say AB square is equal to AC squared plus y squared. All right. So what is the value of AB? That is 20 squared is equal to AC is 12 squared, then plus y squared that we are looking for. 20 squared is 20 times 20. That is 400. So 400 is equal to 12 squared is 12 times 12, which is 144, then plus y squared. So I'm going to collect like terms. I'm going to transfer 144 to the left hand side. So remember, there is an imaginary plus here. So I have 400 minus, once it's crossing this equality sign, it becomes minus 144 is equal to y squared. All right. 400 minus 144 will give us 256. 256 is equal to y squared. So I'm going to square root both sides. Square root both sides. So I will put square root here. 256 is equal to square root of y squared. Why am I putting square root on both sides? In order to remove this power here, this square, the 2 on top of y, so that this square will cancel the square root. And what is the square root of y? I mean, square root of 256 is equal to 16. So therefore, y is equal to 16 meters. Y is equal to 16 meters. And that is the value of y. So if we square this 16, which will give us 256, and square this one, which is 144, we add the two of them, it will give us what? 20 square, which is what? 400, which is called Pythagoras triple. We are going to get that one in our next class. So we've come to the end of the class for today. Remember, if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. Remember what I used to say, that we are all learning. A teacher is a learner. All right, bye for now.